So what was originally on here was some clear silicone, and not very much of it, to be honest with you. So what it actually says in the manual is use Suzuki Bond 1215, which is actually Free Bond 1215. So it's quite messy stuff, but unlike silicone sealant, this stays kind of like tacky. So I'm just going to run a bead. It's quite messy stuff, so I might actually use a glove because I'm more likely going to get a little bit involved with it. This side's got all the gasket sealant on. Going to mount it to this side, get the two halves screwed together. But before I go too crazy with screwing it all together, I will make sure that I can select all the gears. One will definitely help. So, fifth, fourth, third, second, neutral, first. Okay, we've got all the gears. Okay, that's more like it. That's clutch basket. That can now go on. The little locking spacer down, give it a little turn. And then it's the hub. Then it's the washer and the nut. Right, that's on. It's not the neatest one I've ever done, but it's on. Now let's get the clutch back in. Try to take fingers. Right, that's the piston on. I've just put a little bit of two-stroke oil on the big end bearing, and obviously you saw there's a little bit on the little end bearing. So I'm going to put that gasket, that needs to go back on. That now goes back on. Lovely. And now I've got the head gasket on, giving the piston a quick clean up, and we're good to go.